Magsafe board removal. To begin, get your Torx T6 screwdriver and your flathead screwdriver. To begin, you will notice all the routed wires connected to the Magsafe board. Begin by removing the speaker wires located here. Simply lift up unroute the Wi-Fi cables. And unroute the backlight cable. Lift the speaker assembly over. You will now notice T6 screws and the power cable going from the Magsafe board to the logic board. Lift up and over. You will now notice another ribbon cable connected to the logic board. Carefully lift up with that, and now remove the Torx T6 screws. Insert your T6 screwdriver into this and lift out. Once the last T6 screw is removed, you can lift up with the tab and here, lift up and out to remove.